Traveling can offer you the most amazing experiences in the world. But if you're not used to it, traveling can also be quite daunting and stressful. So if you've never traveled before or want to experience more, here are some expert tips to help you on your next adventure. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you how to travel like a pro with one bag. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to travel without having to endlessly wait until others are ready to grow. Now let's get started. Travel light. One of the best travel tips is to travel light. Flight cancellations and delays are a regular occurrence these days, so traveling with carry-on luggage means adjusting to tight connections without waiting for your luggage. Packing light also gives you more freedom and flexibility when traveling. You can move more easily, not be weighed down by luggage, and take advantage of spontaneous opportunities. If you rent a car at your destination, you can beat the crowds and get to the car rental counter much faster than those waiting at the baggage carousel. Get annual travel insurance. Good travel insurance will give you peace of mind on your trip. It covers you for unexpected medical events, travel delays, lost luggage, and more. In addition, annual travel insurance is convenient and significantly cheaper if you travel often. Some credit cards offer travel insurance as a benefit, so check to see if your card has this benefit before purchasing a separate policy. And check the fine print to make sure any travel insurance you buy includes air ambulance coverage. Work on your packing habits. Don't leave packing to the last minute. Start at least a few days in advance and coordinate interchangeable outfits so you can pack lighter things. Use packing cubes to organize your suitcase. They are great for maximizing space and keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. Save space in your suitcase and make packing easier by planning your clothes. First, lay out all the clothes you want to bring and mix them up to create different outfits. This will also help you pack fewer shoes as you can wear the same pair with more outfits. Pack essential items in your carry-on. In addition to travel insurance, always pack essential items in your hand luggage. This includes medication, travel documents, a change of clothes, and electronics chargers. If your flight is delayed or canceled, you'll have everything you need to make the most of the unexpected. If you're heading from a cold climate to a warm destination, pack a pair of flip-flops in your hand luggage to slip into when you arrive at your destination. Flip-flops don't take up much space, and you'll be thankful to get out of your socks and shoes when the warm air hits. Dress for comfort. When you travel, comfort should be your #1 priority. Loose and comfortable clothing will make it easier for you to travel long distances to cope with the inevitable travel delays. You should also dress according to the climate and environment. If you spend time outdoors, pack appropriate clothing and footwear. And if you are traveling to a hot climate, loose and breathable clothing is a must. Please don't pull out those clothes that have been hanging in your closet for years because you think you'll wear them on vacation. Chances are, if you don't wear them at home, you probably won't wear them on vacation, and they'll end up taking up valuable space in your luggage. Eat away from tourist attractions. If you want to save money and better understand the local culture, don't eat at tourist attractions. Restaurants in tourist areas tend to be more expensive and aimed at tourists. Instead, do a little research or ask a local for recommendations on where to find the best restaurants. You will save money but also taste authentic local food. Choose the right bag. The type of travel bag you bring makes a big difference. A travel backpack is often the best choice as it distributes the weight evenly and frees up your hands. If you want to stay organized, a tote bag with organizational pockets is a game changer. If you're traveling with a lot of gear, a rolling suitcase is also a good choice. And if you're only traveling with a few things, a bag or crossbody bag will do. Be aware of the carry-on size and weight restrictions of the airlines you will be traveling with and choose your travel bag accordingly. Pack toiletries that you can use for multiple purposes. Save space in your travel toiletry bag by packing items that serve multiple purposes. For example, you can use lip balm as a lip moisturizer and sunscreen. You can use coconut oil as a hair treatment, body moisturizer, and makeup remover. Other great multi-purpose travel toiletries include face wipes, travel towels, shampoo or conditioner combos, conditioner as a shaving cream, double-ended makeup brushes, and a flat iron as a curling iron. Book flights in opposite seasons. If you have flexibility, book flights in the opposite period to when you want to travel. For example, if you want to fly to Europe in summer, book your flights at the beginning of winter for the best prices. While you're celebrating the 4th of July, it's the perfect time to book your Christmas and New Year getaways. You can also save money by booking flights on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, which are usually the cheapest days to fly. Be willing to travel during shoulder season. The shoulder season is the time between the main travel season and the off-peak season. This is often the best time to travel as the weather is still beautiful, but there are fewer people and lower prices. September is one of the most beautiful months to travel to many destinations. Families with children are back in school, most tourists are back at home, and the weather is still warm, but not too hot. If your travel goals include visiting popular tourist destinations, travel during Raymond season to avoid the crowds and save money. Cultivate patience. No matter how well you plan your trip, there will always be things that don't go as planned. However, learning to roll with the punches and go with the flow will help you travel more easily and stress-free. Forget perfection and embrace imperfection in your travels. After all, imperfections are what make the journey so exciting and fun. Download offline maps. If you're traveling to an area with spotty cell service or data coverage, download offline maps of the area before you head out. Several great apps let you download maps for offline use, including Google Maps, Voyager, and Maps.me. With offline maps, you'll be able to move around even if you can't connect online. With a little preparation and these handy tips, you can enjoy your travels to the fullest. Traveling is about experiencing new cultures and seeing amazing things, so get out there and explore the world. That's all from today's video. Please let us know your opinion about the video in the comments section. And if you want to get even more empowered to travel, you need to watch the video in the pinned comment below. Thank you.